Okay, so most commonly you'll be asked to factorise expressions that look like this with an x squared, a single x squared, and an x term and a constant term. And you're going to be using this chart to be working those out. And the reason for that is that if you've got an x squared at the start, you will know there's an x there and an x there, which gives you the x squared term. You can treat these just like a puzzle. The other thing that you know, because we've worked it out already from yesterday's work, is you're going to get a 5 in your constant term, which we write over here. And that means that the number there times the number there gives you 5. And as you know, 5 is a prime number, so 5 times 1 is the only choice you've got. So it doesn't matter if you put your 5 there, or you put your 1 there, or as long as you put the opposite one there, okay? So that means you end up with 5x, and you end up with 1x there, which gives you a 6x in the middle. So if you've got a prime number there, these are actually really easy. No other positive numbers will work for that factorisation. So you write your answer to say that comes out to x plus, and I'll just look at the table in a moment again, and x plus, so we've got x plus 5 times x plus 1. For this work today, we're only dealing with positive numbers. I think we'll keep working on negatives just a bit separate until you're really good at this factorising. So that was an easy example where the number out the end here was prime, which means that it's the only factors it's got are the number itself and 1. So let's do one that's just a wee bit trickier, where there are more possibilities. So we're going to do x squared plus 6x plus 8. And that's one that we'll factorise. I haven't left as much space as I should. It would have been clearer if I'd left a bit more space, but we'll just do it down here. We've got x squared coming in here, which means we've got to have an x there and an x there. The other thing we know for sure is that the numbers multiply to give 8. Now, that could have been 8 times 1, in which case you'd have had an 8 there and a 1 there, it would come to 9. It's not going to be that one. Or it could be 4 times 2. 4, if I put a 4 there, I'd end up with 4x, and if I put a 2 there, I end up with 2x. And if you add those together, you get 6x, so we're home and hosed. This is x plus 4 times x plus 2. And now you can probably see why I've said to get in the habit of using this kind of multiplication table, because you can always put that information in place and you can put that information in place and work it out, because you're working out what numbers multiply to give the 8. Okay, hopefully that will help you, and if you practice you'll be able to factorise numbers like this reasonably confidently. Okay, bye now.